In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull some reports for your TPOT and TPITOS observation data. To pull any kind of report, I need to get to the report page, and I can do that by clicking Reports here in the upper right-hand corner. And that'll take me to the report page. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull reports for the TPITOS, but the same kinds of reports are available for the TPOT. So any information you learn in this video when we talk about TPITOS examples, you can apply to TPOT as well. The easiest way to find a report that you might be looking for is to use this search bar. So I put TPITOS in, and now it's going to bring up all the reports that I could look at for the TPITOS. And you can see they offer a few reports to look at your TPITOS data. Today I'm going to highlight 2 reports that you can use both at your leadership team meetings and with individual teachers while coaching. The first one I want to look at is this TPITOS trend report. To pull up the report, I'm going to click the select button right next to it, and you can see that brings up a left side menu. I can decide how much data I want to include by changing the start or end date. So I'm going to change my start date to a little bit earlier to include a little more data. Below you can see that there are some filters, and we're going to talk about that in just a little bit. When you're ready to run the report, you click Run Report. And that'll bring up a bar graph that shows the averages of the different TPITOS items over time. So you can see that the blue is the fall of 2019, the red is the spring of 2020, and the green is the fall of 2020. The items are listed down here, and if you need to know what the acronyms stand for, you can go to the next couple pages. So you can see that item, the first one, provides opportunities for communication and building relationships, and it will give you the acronym right here that you can then apply to the graph. So this is including all of the TPITOS at my program. You can see that 6 forms were included right here. If I'm looking for this graph for a specific classroom, I can use the classroom filter. I can select 1 or 2. I'm going to select 1 right now, but you can select as many as you would like. So I'm going to pull this up by filtering by classroom, and we're going to take a look at this data for the bunny classroom. I'm going to run the report again. And now you can see that this is that TPITOS trend report for just the bunny classroom. You can see the number of forms decreased to 3 and that some of the scores have changed. So that is the TPITOS trend report. I'm going to return to the report list so I can show you the other TPITOS or TPOT report that I like. So another one I just want to highlight is the red flag counts report. So again, I'm going to click select. I'm going to change my start date to include a little bit more data, and then I'm going to click Run Report. Now this report is going to tell me which red flags are being observed in a classroom. So you can see that 1 red flag was observed during that time period for all of the classrooms. Again, all of the classrooms are included with 6 forms. And if I want to pull this up for one specific classroom, I can use that classroom filter right there. So those are just some examples of the TPOT and TPITOS reports that you can pull, and that's how you would pull them up.